Now for your excess meat, I put it in a Ziploc. You can either save it for tomorrow if you're going to cook something that has meat in it or that requires ground beef, then you can use it tomorrow. But since I'm not planning to use it tomorrow, I'm just going to put it in my freezer and use it some other time. So you want to make sure that before you toss it, you've got those browning at the bottom. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but look at it. It has that nice brown color in it. That's what we want to achieve. Okay, just continue to cook it. You want to scrape out the bottom of the pan. Make sure you scrape that out. Let it caramelize in here for a minute or two. Garlic. You're not going to be needing any salt in this recipe because the seasoning that you're going to use is salt. And what you want to do, because there are a lot of brown caramelization at the bottom, you want to deglaze your pan. And that's the way to do it. Best way to deglaze your pan is with this Chinese, I don't know if you can see, this is Chinese wine. You can use any Chinese wine that there is available for you in the market. You just want to use that caramelization with that. It's just going to deglaze your pan. And you will notice that the brown bits at the bottom of caramelization is now back into your mix. Okay. So, now that your water is boiling, you want to get your noodles ready. So what you want to do here is you just want to cook the alcohol. So you want to cook the alcohol. So just let it cook for another minute until you can no longer smell it. 7 minutes if you are not going to cook it any further in your sauce, but if you're going to cook it further into your sauce, then you will need only 3 minutes. I use the same spoon, so it has those bits, but it's okay. Okay, so for this, we are going to use rice wine vinegar, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and since this is hoisin noodles, we are going to add hoisin. I will put all the measurement in the description box so you can check that later. Okay, so your meat is almost ready. You can add your noodles in there. And at this point, you can now add your seasoning. So I cooked the noodles for 3 minutes. And I want to add some nuts into it. It gives some extra character to your noodles, so I just want to